How to speed up your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you the tips how to make your website open faster. So it's really a big problem for the people who are creating websites, the speed of opening it. So it costs a lot of money for a lot of companies to make their websites opening better, and I'm going to show you the quick tips how to make it open faster. So as you can see, I am on the main dashboard on Wix.com. As you can see, I have already created an account, and I am going to show you by my already made websites how to make them open even faster. So I would prefer this website. I just click on it, select and edit, and I'm going to show you how to faster it. So I'm going to all you need to do is to click on design the website, and the first tip is you don't really need to have a lot of images and a lot of things on your website main page. So why it is, you need to see how many things you have added on your website. So the less is better. As you can see, I have here the fonts, the lot of text. So for example, here is the big text, and it will cost for the computer of the user or for the mobile phone of the user, it will cost a lot of money to load these big pictures. So for example, the first tip is you can delete the section that you don't really need. For example, we have this picture right here, the section with the pictures, two pictures. I don't really love them, and as I said, it's going to cost a lot for the website to upload them on the user's computer or mobile phone. So what I do is just click on those three dots and click on delete. Now this section was deleted. As you can see, our main page is now smaller, but I am going to say that it will load even faster. So I will delete this one, this button right here. I don't really need it, and it's not looking great. Okay, so I have deleted all the section, but I'm going to delete only this button. So all I need to do is to click right click on it and then just click delete. So as you can see, we have deleted a couple of sections, and I'm going to tell you that it will help you to upload the website even faster. So the next tip is about the pages of your website. So when a users open your website, it's going to load only the home page, but then it's going to load all your pages. As you can see, I have pages like home, menu, about, the contact page, book a table page, and the shop page. So as you can see, we have a restaurant website page. So I would delete the pages that I don't really need. So for example, the shop page. Let's see what's inside of it. The shop page, as you can see, it's selling some products, but we don't really need it because we are creating the restaurant page. So all I need to do is to delete this page. Yes, delete, and it's going to help us in future to load our website even faster. So for example, we have a small section right here about us, so about our restaurant, and right here, so this text is going to lead us into the About Us section. So let's see the About Us section. Here it is. It's really small, and I don't really know whether it's needed. So about the this one, and so we just I would like to delete this page because we don't really need it. We have About Us section on the home page, as you can see. Here it is. We just and here it is too. So I would like to delete it because it's in no need. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 side pages left, and it's going to boost our website in the future. The next step to upgrade your website is to see it on mobile. So the problem and the need of big files on mobile phone. So the mobile phone of user will load less, and you need to be sure that the mobile site is having less images and having less text to load it in the future. So for example, we have this page right here, but I don't really need to edit it because it have not a lot of images. So for example, if your main page have more than 4 images on it, you need to delete a couple of those, because it will you will lose the speed on them, because every image have its own weight, and it's needed to be uploaded. So as you can see, I have only one image right here. It's not really big, but it will cost a time for a user on mobile phone to load it. And if the user have very slow internet, it is going to be a problem. So let's see what we can edit right here. Right now I don't have any ideas because it have the minimalistic design. It don't have anything to I would, for example, delete this About Our Story, About Our Restaurant section. So I just double click, and in the future I'll delete this text. So you can hide section from mobile right here. You cannot delete it right now because it is seen on the desktop. As you can see here, it is this page. So guys, I hope those tips will help you to boost your website. Let's see the upgrade plans. As you can see, Wix right now have 50% discounts on their plans. Okay guys, so if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.